Hi Dollar Divas, welcome back to my channel. So today is another Dollar Tree haul and this is a follow-up to my last walkthrough. I'm going to show you what I ended up buying from that trip. So of course, as always, I'll have my Dollar Tree haul playlist linked down below if you enjoy Dollar Tree hauls. I've got a lot of them, especially recently, and they're not showing any signs of stopping, you guys. Seriously, like, it's getting to be the holidays and I feel that's when Dollar Tree really pulls out some of the most amazing things. So of course, if you are returning my channel, thank you so much for coming on back. I appreciate you so very much. And if you're new, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I like to do a lot of dollar store and Dollar Tree oriented makeup and shopping content. So if that is your thing, you are definitely in the right place. I do hope you'll subscribe and become what I like to call a Dollar Diva. So yes, without any further chit chat, let's just go ahead and get into today's haul. So I did pick up a couple of Christmas items. I think it was a couple walkthroughs ago. Kind of shared and saw that they were starting to roll out the Christmas stuff, and they're starting with a bang because it was lots of gnome stuff, and so there was a little bit more this time. And this is the location that's the closest to my house. I don't even know what the other location has yet. I haven't been there in a few days, but I'm sure it probably will be more. But yeah, anyways, they're starting to roll out with the Christmas stuff, and I'm weak, so I've picked up some things. Now, if you are new to my channel and you don't know, I have two Christmas trees in my house. They're both decorated with Dollar Tree decorations. I'll have one here behind me, and then I have my main tree, and they've done a lot with like gnomes and like buffalo plaid and just really cute like ornaments and things. It's just amazing what they have been coming out with the last couple of years. So my first item, I've actually been looking for something like this for quite some time. In my foyer, if I can find a picture, I'll put it up here. I like to do kind of what looks like a tree farm with different types of trees. And I was looking for one of these, and I'd still like to find some more, maybe like a silver or maybe even a green, I don't know. But they only had one of these at my store. It's one of these, I don't even know, it says Christmas tree on it, but it's like these little metallic or glittery kind of trees, and I think they're just so cute. I'm envisioning putting some fairy lights on it. I would love to find silver as well. I don't know if they have green, but yeah, this is the only one they found, and I've been trying to look for these for quite some time. I might even add like a taller one, maybe a taller one, and if I can find another one this size, that way I have three. But I might have to go somewhere else other than Dollar Tree to find one that's taller. So anyways, I did find one, and yeah, I don't know if people have bought them up already. I guess so, because I'm assuming they had just gotten them in. So I'm gonna be on the hunt for more, and so yeah, I picked that up first. Then, like I said, I have a buffalo plaid kind of themed Christmas tree in my living room. And I do mostly the red and black, but I've also incorporated a little bit of like the black and white plaid as well. And I don't know if I'll use these exactly this year, but I did see them and wanted to pick them up. And they're these, they're not really plaid, but they kind of give you the feel of plaid. So of course you've got the red and black, and you've got the black and white. They're this decorative mesh, and I think I've got some that I had in my tree last year, as well as some like plaid ribbons and stuff like that. So I thought this would be nice to have in the mix. It's like with my fall decorations, I don't always use everything every year, but when I see things that I like, I do try to collect them, and then, you know, year after year, I have an assortment of things. So when I'm decorating on a particular day, kind of whatever strikes me, I use, and I might not use everything. So, but I do like to have an array of things that I like, and so I just kind of collect them, whether or not I use them on a particular year or not. And I really only decorate for Christmas and fall. Like, that's really about it. So yeah, picked up one of each of those. Of course, they have lots of different fall, and I think they had some other Christmassy ones of this decorative mesh, which is just so nice for putting in, kind of filling in your Christmas tree. And then I don't have it here because actually they're in my pantry, but I did buy my husband 3 more of the Sunny D. We like to buy, I don't know if it's a 40 ounce, but it's a really good size, and it's a really good deal. And it's much more expensive in the grocery store, so I did pick up 3 of those. I just don't have them sitting here with me, so I did want to point that out. But I wanted to restock on my baby wipes. Now, from the Dollar Tree, I like to get the ones that have like I think they're Huggies, and they get Disney characters on them. Couldn't find those today. I also buy baby wipes at CVS often too. But I was in Dollar Tree and I need some more baby wipes to have at work. And so I picked these up. I've never tried these before. They're the Smart Care Fisher Price baby wipes. They have aloe vera and chamomile. You get 64. They're soft, sensitive, and fragrance-free for babies, and it's a really big, very heavy pack. Now, the reason why I usually would get the other ones because it has that little plastic closure, which I like, which is not foolproof. I have lots of packages like that where that actually comes off. Never the Huggies and never my CVS ones. It's just some other wipes that I have where that has been glued on there and has come off. But yeah, I'm gonna give these a try. Definitely comment down below if you've tried these, and just gonna kind of see. So I don't go through these very, very fast at all. I think the Huggies ones have like 24 or 5 wipes. They're kind of a smaller pack, but they're really heavy, so one goes a long way. But these might not be quite as heavy, but they were a name brand, and so I did want to pick them and give them a try because I could not find my other ones. Then I thought this was really cute. They actually had a couple different styles of these, and I got this one here. This really looks like an expensive mug, like something you would spend like $12 on at like TJ Maxx or something like that. But it's this coffee mug, and it says cafe on the front with hearts and steam. It's kind of got this black rim, and it's not a huge mug. Like it's, you know, some mugs are just too big that if you put a bunch of coffee in them, it would just go cold, and I can't I can drink coffee hot or iced and nothing in between. And it is actually dishwasher, let me peel the label back. It's microwave and dishwasher safe. So I just thought that was really cute, just a nice little mug. I like mugs that bring me joy, and this one brought me joy. And yeah, so like I said, they had other styles. I can't remember what some of the other sayings were, but it's gonna get this, it's like a matte finish, and just thought it was super, super cute. You could put a bunch of these on like a mug tree, and they would look really, really cute. They would look like a matching set. So I thought that was really cute, so I picked it up. Do I need a coffee mug? No, I need a coffee mug like I need a hole in the head, but I did think that was really, really cute. And I do use, you know, the same few coffee mugs over and over and over again, and eventually, if I don't accidentally break them, usually I'll be washing it and like the handle will fall off or something like that. So it'll be just a matter of time before one that I love will need replaced. So I wanted to pick that up because I thought it was super, super cute. Then I saw this. This is the OMV by Vagisil, so it's a brand name. It's the Bikini Anti-Itch Serum. That is like probably one of the worst things when you have your bikini line, and you know, as the hair kind of grows back, it gets itchy. It's horrible. So I got this, and I think I've seen this in the drugstore before. I have no idea what it retails for. I'll have the price down below if I find it, or up here. I'm sure it goes for way, way more. So on the Walgreens website, this actually it says it's $8.99. So definitely a steal for $1.25. And I did see these at both of my local Dollar Trees. It says it smooths bikini and intimate area with oatmeal. It's pH balanced, it's gynecologist tested, and it's vanilla clementine scent. So it's a gentle formula. It protects against itch, dryness, and irritation. You can even, apparently it says here, you can actually put it on like chafed skin as well, and you can use it as needed. So it's a 1.7 ounce tube, and the packaging is like so fun. Comes sealed, which is always, always, always really nice. And it's kind of like a cream gel kind of consistency. Very, very, very light scent. Nothing offensive at all. And it just kind of, yeah, it just kind of goes on like a gel, and it feels very soothing. So if you've tried this, let me know. I will definitely let you know what I think. You just never know when you're gonna find them brand names at the Dollar Tree. And the last item, I've had some people suggesting the Aroma Guru products. I had never, ever tried them until now, and I think I'm gonna go get some other stuff too. So this is the Aroma Guru Aromatherapy like roll-on, and this is in the scent lavender. They had, I think a eucalyptus or something else, and then they also had like lavender in like a little bottle or a dropper or something like that. I'm gonna go pick that up because I just did a video not too long ago where I did my Dollar Tree favorites, and then I did a follow-up video with my Dollar Tree fails. And actually I got it sitting right here because I'm gonna keep the container. This right here was a fail, this Be Pure Pillow Mist. But I'm saving the bottle because I had Dollar Divas suggest that I can kind of like make my own pillow spray. My favorite one was discontinued by Bath & Body Works, the scent, Vanilla Cedarwood. And so I want to try to maybe like make my own. And I'm not really happy with the pillow spray I have now that I got at CVS. So I thought this might be a good, I don't know, you can even put it on me before I go to bed. It says it's sweet almond oil plus lavender essential oil. It's 100% pure and natural, easy to apply. It's pre-diluted, ready to use. You can apply it to your temples, the backs of your ears, and your pulse points. Of course, lavender, it helps relax and distress. Tranquility, calms heightened emotions. It says it can help restore your skin's complexion. I did not know that. It can soothe skin irritations and burns. Did not know that. And just promotes restful sleep. That I knew. So I'm gonna open it and try it. But I've heard great things about these Aroma Guru products, and so I'm a newbie to this brand. Although I've seen them in Dollar Trees often. Hopefully this don't like put me to sleep. I still gotta go to work. That smells amazing. That smells really, really, really good. So I'm gonna like try to find, I'm gonna get like the one that's like the liquid. And then I think I'm gonna try to find like a cedar wood as well and mix them and then put them in here and make like my own spray. And I think I might just add it to the liquid that's in here already. I hate that it's taken me so long to try this brand. I've heard so many great things. And actually the ingredients list, it says 100% pure lavender essential oil and sweet almond oil. So that's pretty pure stuff. I've heard they're a dupe for like the doTERRA. Don't know how true that is, but yeah, I'm so far so good. So like I said, I'm excited to try more scents. So I'll have my Dollar Tree haul playlist up here. That way you can binge watch more videos like this. Please give this video a like and comment down below if you've tried any of these products and what you thought, or if you're buying Christmas stuff yet. Maybe I'm not the only one. I hope not. I don't know. Maybe I am. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.